Alright, what's up everybody? It's Josh here again today, and today I'm installing this hood shield on my 2002 Toyota Tundra. It should work on anywhere from a 2000 to a 2006, so let's get to it. So this bug shield is made by AVS. It came with instructions, and that's what I'm going to be following, just so maybe it'll be the same for you guys. But the first thing it says to do, let's see, 1, pop the hood. 2, disconnect the hood latch, which is that right there. I'll probably just take that bolt out right there, and hopefully it'll just fall off. And then after that, it says to remove 6 nuts that secure the grill to the hood, which are these right here, 4, and then there's 2 towards the bottom of both sides of the grill. I pulled the grill off and it's laying on the ground over there. So I'm guessing the bug shield's gonna end up looking something like that. Not really sure, I'm just gonna keep following the directions and we'll see. So the next instruction is to peel back 2 inches of the tape liner from each end of the hood shield, which is this right here. It's just some 3M tape, and so we're gonna pull off 2 inches of it and then go from there. I'm just gonna remove all of this red tape because the directions don't make much sense as far as it goes to this. So there we go. There we go. And it also came with some alcohol wipes to clean where it's gonna stick to. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that. And I laid it up here and it's gonna stick to these little flat spots on the bottom. And then I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit and try to keep it about there to install it. But I'm gonna try to center it off of this little rubber grommet that's in the very center of the hood right there. And then the next step is to put your grill back on, so let's throw that on. Alright, so this is just a little mock-up of how it looks. I've still got to tighten the grill down, and then there's 2 screws you have to put in it. But I just thought I'd show you what it's gonna look like. Alrighty then, so this is the finished product. It came with 2 self-tapping screws that you can put in it, just on each end. But I'm gonna try and just see how the tape holds up, because it's not, I don't know, it seems strong to me. And it's clamped down in the middle between the grill and the hood right there, so I don't think it's going anywhere. But if it does fall off or something, I'll let you guys know, so you know to put those screws in it, and I'm gonna hang on to the screws just in case. But I really like the look of it. Just gives it a little bit of something going on up front. Before it didn't have anything going on. Alright guys, if this video helped you, or if you like this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me, and keep an eye out for some more videos.